there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today, I have a fun double Z-fold gift card holder. Let's get started. I have one of the card bases from the kit. I'm going to start by trimming off the white. I want this to measure 4.5. Save that for another project. By 3 1/4. I have a piece of Poppy Parade cardstock measuring 4 1/4 by 11, and I scored it at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. I also have a piece of basic white cardstock measuring 3 1/4 by 10 inches. I also scored this one at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. Fold on the score lines. So this one I have with the short flap on top, and this one I have going the same direction, but with the larger flap on top. This is going to go here. So I'm going to add my adhesive here. I'm going to have about the same width all the way around. And then I'm going to add adhesive on here. Adhere this to the front white panel. Use bits of dimensionals on the back of the word. I'm going to pop up just the leaves on the cherries. Gives it more dimension that way by having it partially popped up. And then this one, I'm only going to put one on the back of one of the leaves because the other one is going to be on top of one that has dimensionals already. Tie a double bow. So here's the front of our card. And we're going to stamp the rest of our sentiment on the inside. For the gift card, put glue dots on here. And there you have it, a double Z-fold gift card holder. Find measurements and written instructions over on my blog at. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!